Do you want to create stunning designs in Canva but don't know where to start? This video will show you how to master Canva in just 5 minutes and design a professional YouTube thumbnail, just like the one you're seeing right now. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have all the skills to create scroll-stopping thumbnails that grab attention. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide without wasting time. Begin by opening Canva on your PC. It's accessible through your browser or as an app. Make sure you're logged in to get started with your project. On the left-hand side of the interface, click on the Create a New Design button. Canva gives you endless design options, from creating resumes to presentations and much more. For this tutorial, we're creating a YouTube thumbnail, just like what you're watching right now. Select the YouTube thumbnail option to load the interface. On the left-hand corner, locate the Upload button. Use this to import graphics or images from your PC storage that you want to use in your design. Pro tip: using high-quality visuals makes a big difference in the final output. Drag the uploaded file onto the canvas. Now, it's time to position and align it. Take a moment to adjust its placement until it feels just right. Want to flip your image? Check out the flip button above the canvas. This tool lets you create mirror effects in seconds. Layers can make or break your design. Press Alt+1 to open the Layers panel. This tool lets you control which elements stay in front or behind, as shown in the video. Play with the color palette to match your theme. Vibrant and contrasting colors can make your design pop. Adding flair to your design, import additional objects for a richer, more visually appealing design. Use Canva's background remover to clean up imported images. This tool is fast, accurate, and incredibly easy to use. Click on the Edit button to explore more customization options. Add effects like drop shadows, glows, or outlines to give your objects extra depth and style. As shown in the video, these effects can make your design look professional in no time. Let's add Canva's logo to the subject. Position it creatively, perhaps on its head like a crown. Adjust its glow and placement to blend seamlessly into your design. For text, head to the Text tool and add a heading to your canvas. Canva provides many font and color options. Customize them to fit your thumbnail style. Want to layer your text? Press Alt+1. Go back to the Layers panel and move the text behind your subject. This creates a visually dynamic effect. Enhancing the visual appeal, explore Canva's Elements library. Search for shapes, lines, or icons to enrich your design. Drag them onto the canvas and adjust their size and position. Blur the background to bring attention to your subject. Select the background layer, click on Edit, and adjust the blur intensity until it looks just right. Add fun elements like a crown to your subject. Play with its color and size to ensure it fits perfectly. Bring in some flair with a money element. Search for a money image in the Elements tab. Remove its background, upscale it, and place it behind your subject using the Layers panel. Blur the money slightly to maintain focus on your subject. Add a glowing effect for extra emphasis. Final details for the perfect thumbnail. Add a texture to your thumbnail. Search for a suitable texture in the Elements section, adjust its color, and place it behind your subject. For a final touch, drag a glowing element onto the canvas and position it behind your subject. This creates a striking, polished look that's bound to catch viewers' attention. And that's it. You've created a professional YouTube thumbnail using Canva in just 5 minutes. With the right tools and tips, designing like a pro is easier than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you're designing next, and I'll see you in the next video.